Yo, what is going on, YouTube fam? Andre Money back at it again with another YouTube video here. So today I'll be going over Gbpcad. I'm actually going to be looking for some potential buy opportunities. I'm going to go ahead and explain why right now. Before I do that, just go ahead and click that smash button. Just smash that like button right down below. Comment on the comments too, whatever you guys want to see, like new stuff going on, new content, or even new steps in my strategy as well. Like any questions you guys have, just go ahead and comment below, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how I trade step by step as well, depending on what comments I see. If you guys want to learn how to just go over liquidity runs or anything like that, or any specific thing like the fib or any other sort of stuff, just let me know through the comments. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So here on Gbcad, if we get at this daily time frame, right? So currently right now on a daily time frame, we can see how market, we created this relevant equal highs here. So we have equal highs here, this two right here, there's equal highs, which you could also call a false formation, which is a false double top. Now, what I call a false double top, well, because retail traders in those areas, they're getting in for selling opportunities, right? So they're getting in for those sales, and when they see the double top like this. So what happens? When they get in for sales and they're already running in profits, they're gonna move their stop losses to what? Risk-free, which is where? Their entry price, right? So right now, we have a lot of stop losses going on in this area, as well as we also have buy stops. Why do we have buy stops there? Because real traders want to see get in for buy positions once we break above those highs, right? So we want to activate those buy stops and clear them out as well. As well as we're going to be kicking out the stop losses that we have around this area from those selling positions of the retail traders. Now, us as institutional traders, we want to be trading with the banks, right? So we want to be catching those big moves, those big waves going up or down. And that's going to happen once market reaches to seek out liquidity, which is where all the retail traders have their stop losses. In this case, right in this false formation we have right here, is where we have all that liquidity going on, all those stop losses from retail traders. Now, right here, we can see how market, we create this impulse down here, right? We're creating a retracement. But in the past, we had market come and tap inside of the commission price candle, which was our last bearish candle before the push to the upside, leaving us with imbalance in this area. So we left with imbalance in this area as well, which imbalance, like I said in prior videos, they react like gaps, like empty gaps in the market, right? So what's going to happen when we have an imbalance like that? Well, market's going to come back down, fulfill that imbalance area, and come and test into a commission price candle from the past that had never been tested. And what happened here? We had an imbalance acting as an empty gap. Right on this day on this candle right here, we had this major drop to the downside before we see market close as a bullish candle. So we had a major drop of around a drop down of 232 pips, and a move to the upside of 232 pips as well. So we just went up and down, right? So before we went to that push up, market came, fulfill its imbalance, and we tested into the commission price candle here to the upside. So with that being said, that's going to leave us to mark our new fib level, which will now be from the start of this impulse to the end of the new impulse, which would be up here in this region. So I'm going to just go ahead and mark that fib level that I have right here. So get my start of the fib, start to finish, which is always wick to wick, from the lowest to the highest, right? And we can see how perfectly the 7-9 fib level aligns right here. So at the 7-9 fib level in this area, which that right there would be a discounted price. So now by having a discounted price there, indicating that this right here is a discount price level for the 7-9 fib. Well, with that being said, I could imagine that in a 4-hour time frame, we would have an accumulation price candle around that region. So let's go ahead and check that 4-hour time frame. So right here in this 4-hour time frame, boom, there we have it. We have the accumulation price candle and our new imbalance area, right? So we have our new accumulation price candle, which is right there around that 7-9 fib level, which is where I'm actually going to be looking into getting for buying positions. That's why I have this long position going on there, because I already have a buy limit in that zone. So you guys want to get in for that buy limit by the time you guys see this video. Hopefully you guys still have time. And we should definitely see an immediate reaction to the upside, immediate rejection from this commission price candle. Because just right here, we also have an empty imbalance. So we have an imbalance here, acting as well as an empty gap, just how we did in the past over here. We had this imbalance area. What happened? Market came in the daily time frame, fulfilled the imbalance that we left over here in the past, and continued its way to the upside. Same situation. Markets over here, we pre-until once again. Market's currently retracing down to do what? To fill in the imbalance zone that was right here, and to come and test into that commission price candle, which is my last bearish candle, before the push up. Also, strong confirmation gets me that market come to that area and get me to immediately rejected, because this candle has never been tested before, right? So with that being said, I'll be placing the buy limit here. So my buy line is gonna be there. I have two take profits. My first TP I have right in this area, which is below the equal highs, just to secure profits at 240 pips. And well, my second take profit, I do have it at 334 pips, or I think it was 330 pips around there. So here it is. Here's gonna be my entry price for that buy limit. Here's my entry price. This right here will also be my take profit, and this would be my stop loss. I'll be risking 46 pips to get 240 as in my first take profit. And my last take profit, I have it right on those daily equal highs, which also are the 4-week equal highs right in this area, sitting at 327 pips. So 327 pips is going to be my last TP, which will be total risking 46 to gain 327 as in the second TP and 240 as in the first TP. So that in total would be around 600 to 700 pips in total. Combining them, you are going to be placing a twin trade just like I do. I did place a twin trade in there with that buy limit. If you guys want to know more about twin trading, just go ahead and comment below, and I'll show you guys more about twin trading and more videos. But yeah, with that being said, guys, this is the only pair I'm going to be looking for today to be trading on Gbpcad. You guys definitely do not want to miss out on this trade, because this is going to be a very, very good trade coming to the upside. Because you guys can see also the weekly time frame here. On this weekly time frame, it looks like we're creating that low of the week on this candle. So once we close that low of the week, market's going to be booming to the upside, clearing out all this buy for liquidity that we left in the past as well in this weekly time frame. So we should be super, super bullish for the couple of next weeks. After this week closes, hopefully we do close the week around this area, which would be tomorrow, Thursday, or maybe tomorrow, Thursday, which might see some distribution inside that buy limit that we have. And then either Thursday, London, or Friday, New York, we should start seeing market boom to the upside. But yeah, with that being said, guys, that'll be all for this video. Also, you guys do want to see more of me in my live sessions with my students at the Profit Club, just go ahead and click the link below. You guys click that link below. We go live. We do live sessions for our students, live trading sessions, live analysis as well. And you guys don't miss live trades or those live sessions. We also pre-record them, so you guys could always go ahead and rewatch those videos once again, which is the live trade that we are taking with our live students inside that live chat. Right? So with that being said, go ahead and comment, click the link below, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.